All right, folks, got a 2021 Chevy TrailBlazer here. Got a check engine light, and it comes up with a P146B. So I'm gonna go figure out what that is. It's not on my scanner here because this is an older model scanner. Okay, but the same thing here. This one says it's pending. This one says it's permanent. So let's go check around on the internet and see what the 146B is. All right, customer took it to AutoZone and they scanned it. They didn't say what code it was at that time, but they said to replace the charcoal canister. So let's see what this is. All right. All right, so that code is an evap purge pump, which on this little 3-cylinder is located right here. This item right here. All right, there's a part number for it right there. It's not saying that it's bad. It's not saying that it's good. But also it could be a reprogramming problem. Okay, because for some reason a lot of these cars, the computers has to be reprogrammed for certain things. So not going to go and replace that. That's the part number right there from GM. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clear the code, send the customer on the way, and see if it comes back for the same code. All right, and I'm going to do a little further and check to see if there's any bulletins or anything known about it. All right, until then, thanks for watching. And here's the printout from AutoZone. Okay, 2021 TrailBlazer, little 3-cylinder. Doesn't show what the code is over here, but it comes up as a vapor canister. So that only goes to show you, all right? You go to these places that give you a free scan, doesn't always mean what it is, all right? So it's not a vapor canister, because this is basically just a filter in there, all right? So that's not gonna, there's no electrical plug to it. There's nothing there that's gonna send the code that's bad. All right, so you gotta look further. Okay, FYI. Thanks for watching. All right, folks, here's that TrailBlazer. Told the customer to bring it back to the Chevy dealer because it should be under warranty, under the emissions, 100,000 mile warranty. And there it is. They changed the valve. You can see everything still looks old and dusty over here. They just disconnected it, changed this valve. I don't even see a GM number on this valve, but it's changed. Light is out. Problem is solved. All right, I'm gonna attach the a picture of the bill that they replaced it for, no charge, but they did sell the customer a battery, AC Delco battery. And you see what's wrong with this after they changed the battery? Look at this. All they did was change the battery. Didn't even care to change the terminal, to clean the terminal at least, right? You can wire brush it, people. It's not that bad. It's not that hard, okay? Wire brush the freaking terminal when you already got the guy for almost $300 for a battery. All right? There you go. Thanks for watching, folks. It's the valve.